I'm Suki Baxter. I'm a writer and body worker, and today I'm going to lead you through a short practice to alleviate the tension in the front of your neck and your jaw. With smartphone screens and computers having us look down and contracting the fronts of our bodies, often those tissues can become tight, but they're also very vulnerable parts of the body. In the wild, an animal will tend to protect their neck because that's where a predator will go to take the kill. So when you're in a very stressful or high pressure environment, there can be a tendency to really pull back your chin and contract the tissues around your throat. So what we're going to do is just simply have a seat in a comfortable spot with your feet flat on the floor, and you're going to tip your left ear to your left shoulder. And then with your head tipped to the side, go ahead and look up slightly until you feel a nice stretch through the right side of your neck here. And from here, you can actually increase the stretch by pushing your jaw forward a little bit. And then we're just going to nod yes very gently. And then shake your head no. Good. And you want to remember to breathe while you're doing this because that's going to help the tissues to soften a little bit. So now we're going to go to the opposite side. So tip your right ear to your right shoulder. Look up a little bit, feeling the stretch along the other side of your neck. And then push your jaw forward for just that extra stretch right in this bottom part of the chin. And you're just going to nod yes and no. Again, remember to breathe. And sometimes it helps to keep your breath soft, thinking the word ah as you breathe in and ha as you breathe out. You don't actually need to vocalize it, but just thinking those words will start to open up your throat tissue. So now we're going to do the bottom range of motion. So you're going to take your left ear to your left shoulder, and you're going to kind of look down towards your left knee a little bit. Push your chin forward, and just go ahead and nod yes. And shake your head no. Good. And come back to the middle, and let's do the other side. So you're going to take your right ear to your right shoulder, look down a little bit towards your right knee, push that chin forward, and go ahead and nod and shake your head. All right, so now let's do just a little bit of a practice to open up the back of your jaw. Your jaw actually doesn't open like a door hinge. It opens more like it's sliding open in the back. So what I want you to think about is that the back of your jaw is opening first, and you're going to put your fingers on the bony little bits right in front of your ears, and you're just going to add a little bit of traction down as you open your jaw. And you can open and close it, pulsing the movement. And you really want to think about spreading the distance between your back molars. And just go ahead and keep pulsing. You're going to pull that tissue all the way down these bony projections. Don't cause yourself any pain. You don't need to dig. You maybe need just like 2 or 3 pounds of pressure here. The tissue isn't very dense. All right, so now you might notice that your jaw feels a little more relaxed, that your neck is a little bit softer, and maybe even that your breath is a bit easier. Thanks for watching. I'm Suki Baxter.